Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Dom, I'm the Chief Tech. So today we're going to be looking at our Orbital sander by Erbauer, and we're going to do a bit of an unboxing, so stay tuned and we'll jump right in. But before that, grab yourself a coffee. Okay guys, what we got today is the Erbauer ERO400 Orbital sander, 400 watt, anti-vibration, and it's got a 3-meter cord as well. So yeah, let's unbox this and see what's inside. Let's get my pen knife. Alright, so inside we get just an empty box with the bag. So it comes with a carry case. Comes with some sanding pads, the instructions, the sander itself, dust collection, a little nozzly thing. Right, so this nozzle is for your dust extraction system or Hoover. This is just the collection system, just a little mini one that I probably will be using because I don't have a dust extraction system and I only do little things like DIY. So yeah, so that would go onto here. Would it go upside down? Yep. That's that's connected, solid. Tell you what, it's a nice little sander, very well made. I do like Erbauer. They do reasonably priced gear, which is borderline professional really. I mean, I'm not a professional, and if I was, I wouldn't get a corded one because I'd get more use out of a wireless one for on the job sort of stuff. But as I'm at home and I'm next to a socket, there's no need for me to have a wireless one because I'm not going up onto roofs and I'm not going up anywhere high or anywhere that needs a little bit of wireless technology. So yeah, so this is the sander that comes with it. Let's put a pad on it, put a test sample of wood and see how good it is. But first I need to move my coffee. Alright, so I'm putting the sanding pad on now, plugged it in, got my mask on, got my goggles on, and yeah, being Captain Sensible today. On switches there. That made easy work of that, didn't it? Okay, so the Velcro is good. Well, I was hoping it would be good anyway. What I need to do first though is line up the holes properly. That's one mistake I've made already. Right, so round 2. Tell you what, that made mincemeat of that. It's got nails in it as well, so I have to be careful, but nice and smooth already. I mean, it's 240 grit, so it's going to be quite an abrasive sandpaper anyway, but that's done really well. I'm quite happy with that. As for dust collection, it's done okay. It's taken quite a bit off that, and there's obviously going to be little bits here and there. They didn't come flying off, and if I lined up the holes a little bit better, it probably would work even better. But I'm quite happy with that. I was concerned about the weight of this, but if you just let it rest, the weight's not a problem. So let's try it on a different speed because it was on max. Let's go on to 1. Go on 2. Let's see it. Right, let's get this mask off. Oh. Right, I think that's damn good for the money. I've paid $39.99 for this. It was on sale. I think it's regularly 50 quid. I think that's well worth the money. And let's see how easy. I've unplugged it. So the dust collection, that's done pretty well. I mean, it's not got everything, but I didn't have it lined up properly. That's my fault. But otherwise, that's I'm quite happy with that. Good little buy that. Oh, again, I'll put it under. For some reason, I think it looks better like that, but it sits like that. So I keep putting it on wrong. But otherwise, I think that's a best buy. I think it's slightly heavy, but you're not going to be going up ladders with it. I think that's a good piece of kit. That's going to be definitely come in handy. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. Next week we're going to be reviewing one of my favourite tools in the shop, the multi-tool.